What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. We're on the phone today because I forgot my GoPro, so we're just gonna be filming on the phone today. Hopefully, no cop sees us. Thinks I'm texting or something. So, what's up, man? So I've been dropping consistently, but for those who don't know, I haven't really been filming like that. And it's because I have so much other stuff that I could film. And I was filming a lot of content before, but this past week I didn't film because I had family in town and then just a whole bunch of stuff. So I didn't really get to film like that. Is this a turn lane? Oh, yeah, just these two. But yeah, I didn't really get to film like that. So that's the only thing. But yeah, man, I miss you guys. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Hope you guys are having a great day. I've really just been on the work school grind, honestly. Just been trying to grind it out. I've really just been taking certifications, and we've just been trying to level up, to be honest. We really just been trying to level up and keep doing our thing. So basically, that's how it is, man. For me, I'm never comfortable, and it sucks because life is good. Life is good, everything's good, but as soon as I start to get comfortable, I'm like, nah, I gotta change things up. I've always been the one that's always chasing this new goal, chasing something. So for me, this is something good for me. I really enjoy just grinding it out, seeing the results, But does anyone else ever feel the same way? You're just never content with anything? And I'm not saying every day you're just not happy, but it's just things are going good, but you're still damn, I could be doing this, I could be doing that. It's I don't know. I feel it sucks though, because I feel you're never really happy, It's I'm very happy, but at the same time, I'm damn, I could be doing so much, So I don't know. I love life. I love everything, but it's every 12 months or 18 months, I gotta switch things up. I don't know. And I've always been this way. Hold on, let me close the window because you guys probably can't hear me because of that wind noise. But yeah, it's just I've just always been this way, and I've always been oh my God, am I just never gonna be happy with anything? And it sucks because it's everybody wants to be happy, no matter what. Everybody wants, that perfect life that they've always dreamed of. But honestly, I feel it's a good thing and it's a bad thing, right? It's good because you're never comfortable, you will always be trying to chase more. But then it's bad because it's you never get to really appreciate the little moments or the good things that just randomly pop up, So I've honestly been trying to find that balance, but sometimes with the way I am, I'm just all or nothing. So it ends up not really being any balance there, to be honest. Damn, it's hot as hell. It's 90 something degrees. I gotta open up these windows again. But yeah, man. Gotta watch out, because over here be having cops all in the cut over there. I'm seeing a little tunnel up ahead. I might do a little, hold on. Let's see. Let's put this bitch in sport mode real quick. Sport mode gonna turn it all the way up. Should I go in that far left lane? Should I do it? Should I do it? Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's see. Let's see. No, I'm not gonna lie. Nah, it's better with the GoPro though. I like filming off of the phone, but the GoPro is just better, man. There's so much trucks up ahead. I really don't know how these truck drivers do it, man. You guys see this? Look at the stuff he's carrying. How do they do that? I'm too clumsy, man. I know for a fact I would hit something. Like, I could never be no truck driver. Unless I really had to. But that truck driving thing is no joke. Why is there traffic? Just when I wanted to do a little pull. Let's see. Yeah, that's not that bad. Here we go. Here we go. It's better to go to the right, I see. Damn, so much people though. For real. I should have just stayed in that fast lane. Look at all this traffic right here. Nothing but traffic. Florida really is the only state, man. It could be a green light. No one goes and no one blows the horn. Can somebody tell me if, like, that's a law here or something? Because, like, I don't know. I see people do it, but, like, I don't know if it's, like, against the law or, like... if that's just something people don't do, I don't know. Alright, man, come on, man. Hurry this up. I don't know, man. I've really been thinking about getting a louder exhaust. Even though the car is already loud, but I don't know. I feel like it's just one of those cars. It's like when you got a Vet, like everybody just wants that loud Vet sound, you know? It's nothing like, I don't know. Especially like when I go to meets and I hear those C7s. And they all got that chop, and I'm like, oh my god, but that chop sounds crazy. I wish I could do that to this car, but I was reading a bunch of forums, and like a couple of guys did it, and they messed up the motor or something with the car, and I was like, nah, bro, I'm not gonna mess with the engine, and now my car is on the side of the road. Nah, man, I'm not doing that. Definitely not doing that. So I got playing that UK drill real quick. I see you, my boy. A couple of my friends been telling me to get a Beamer. I'm like, I don't know, bro. I really don't know. Because it'd be great, but it's like, damn, bro. So I really want to, like, I don't know. I feel like this car is such a statement car. Like, it's classy, but it's still like aggressive as hell. And I feel like a lot of the Beamers just look like regular cars. All right, prime example. The M440, right? Those cars look aggressive, but it really looks like a grocery getter. Like, certain cars just don't have the presence, you know? There's some cars that do, and certain cars don't. So, but I'm telling you, like, I don't know, there's like some Beamers just look regular, even though they're fast as hell, you know? And that's what some guys like. Like, there's some guys that enjoy having a sleeper car. Like, those cars are fast as hell, but, you know? And then there's some people who, they enjoy just getting a fly car to pull up in. Like, that's always been me. Sound is cool, whatever, but if the car, like, if I pull up and the car just looks crazy, that's the thing that I love. I don't really care too much about it being a sleeper, because at the end of the day, as long as you're a good driver, you'll be fast in pretty much any car. If you're in a regular car and you're still able to do your thing, I'm telling you, I've seen it. As long as you know how to drive, you'll be good. But as you guys know, as I said, if I go Beamer, I'm getting a big body. It got to be M6 or M8. It just has to be. So that's what we're going to go for. For those of you who want to get a BMW, let me know what car you would get. Because I feel like people can know what car they want, and then they go to the dealership, and it's something completely different. So let me know what cars you would get. I'm probably thinking about making a video of when I go to the dealership. When I go to the dealer, I'll probably film a little bit, turn it into a little video or something. So we'll see. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.